We would like to introduce our 3P program. P for practical, the best operator access. P for protection, total safety for the user. And P for price, the optimum price-quality ratio. A small frame rounded up in the labeling area with safety guards protecting the carousel and the labeling units. All this means more safety for the operator and better accessibility to the machine for carrying out tasks like setup and ordinary maintenance. The safety guards can be opened or locked by means of a lever located on the side of the chassis, easy to access and easy to use. With a simple movement, you can raise and lower the entire guards. Now let's take our equipment cart and start to set up the machine. First, we'll install the buffering star wheel at the infeed. Next, we'll install the spacing screw. We'll fix the central conveyor on its guides and secure it in the center. We insert the infeed star wheel on the support, locking it in place with the quick locks. And then we install the outfit star wheel in the same way. Without using a single tool, we have set up all the components for container transport. Referring to the reference blocks for the various formats that are supported, we position the different components to be ready for production in the format that has been selected. Now let's move on to the cold glue unit. After removing the protective panels and opening the guards around the labeling unit, we lift up the bar and take off the cover of the pallet shafts. The unit is now ready to be set up. First, we place the hook drum on its support base. Then, we insert the glue pallets on their holders. And secure these with the safety locks. All these operations are carried out easily and rapidly by the operator, thanks to the accessibility to the unit and the machine, saving time when compared to traditional systems. We follow on then with the installation of the glue roll, its scraper, and related clamping unit. Then we connect the glue pump and the spray nozzle on its holder. When closing back up the protective panels on the unit, we insert the protection screen of the label magazine. We take the label magazine and secure this on its base with quick locking levers. At this point, the labeling unit has been assembled with all the parts required for the labels to be applied. We then position the label references and regulate the transport guides on the unit, and we are ready for production. To finish off the job, we just need to install the label smoothing stations on the central carousel, placing these on their supports and fastening them with the safety locks. The operator can complete these tasks easily and conveniently in close proximity to the supports without making any risky or unsafe movements. Now that we have finished installing the equipment on the machine and units, let's lower the safety panels with the lever, and the system can now be started back again at manual speed. At this point, the operator can verify close-up if everything was installed correctly. Now the machine can enter production at the speed that is regulated automatically according to the flow of containers on the line. These operations are quickly and safely carried out with great ease thanks to the open accessibility to every part of the machine, and this truly reduces the setup time. What we look at now is a very interesting option: the integrated outside protective panels with pneumatic opening and closing, which are mostly used on machines featuring non-stop self-adhesive labeling systems. When the units are taken out, the passage for the picking unit is automatically closed by lowering the relevant protection to prevent any access to the machine while it is operating. The new 140 meters per minute units installed on their extraction guides are easy to move. Furthermore, thanks to the guides adjustable on 5 axes, the group's adjustment is very simple. The ergonomic positioning of these units leaves ample room for operators' interventions, and he or she now can access the main body of the machines for routine operations. Now, checking the system during production is no longer dangerous, with virtually a total view of the machine and all its parts. The more ergonomic versions of the machine feature pneumatic raising and lowering of the front outer protective panels. These controls are completely separate from the rear outside protective panels and are activated via a dedicated lever. The rear part of the base, which is rounded, allows the groups of labeling units to be positioned with ample room for operator movement. The integrated outside guard panels are pneumatically controlled, and when raised up, the entire central area of the machine is exposed for easy access for setup. The operator is in close range to the parts that must be changed and works comfortably in an erect position. The tasks are carried out without the use of tools due to the fact that each part features its own rapid unlock/lock levers. Special attention must be paid to the system that allows the labeling units to be tilted when required by the application. This operation is easily executed without the need for regulation. Using the same system, we can put the labeling unit in a horizontal position to facilitate changing the label reels by the operator. quick, efficient, safe, this tilting system for the labeling units doesn't require any special regulation, and the operator is able to optimally carry out the job.